Okay, this is the scene out here on Irving Park on my street. Pretty much a few people out here. Cars. Hear sirens over there. Can't really see past that tree over there in the median. Clear day. Here comes oh my goodness. Pretty cold out here too. Wow. Yeah, I think this is a state of emergency. I think we're going to get more than one snow day here. No idea how I'm going to be able to go to work. Much less anyone go to school. My daughter go to school. Can't even get out of the regular street here. It's buried. So, there you have it, people. We finally got the blizzard of the decade. It's long overdue, huh? Alright. Reporting from Irving Park, Susanna.